Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's our official day 3 here at Taiwan. Today is July 17, 2025, and time check, it's almost 9 a.m. na. And our today's itinerary, pupunta kami ng Maokong Gondola at nagbook lang kami ng one-day ticket pass doon for around 500 plus pesos. And then after Maokong Gondola, pupunta naman kami ng Taipei 101 to check their observatory deck. I'm not sure if doon na lang kami bibili ng ticket or magbo-book na lang din kami through Klook. But we will check kung anong oras kami matatapos sa Maokong Gondola. And then after that, the Taipei 101, pupunta naman kami sa may Taipei City Hall. Kasi nandoon located ngayon yung Rainbow Street kasi under maintenance yun nandito sa may Ximending area. Ginagawa siya para i-repaint siya for this whole week at natapat talaga sa travel dates namin. So we are now going to Maokong Gondola, sasakay ng cable car. Now going to the train station dito sa exit 3. Ayan siya. So dito tayo sa Banan Line, and then we are going to transfer to Wenhu Line, which is yung yung brown line nila, going to Taipei Zoo Station. And then from there, we will walk to Maokong Gondola Cable Car Station. Ayan, dito tayo sa may Zhongshan, Fuxing. Then we will transfer to Wenhu Line. Then after that, we are going to transfer to the brown line, which is yung Wenhu Line, going to Taipei Zoo Station. Then from there, sabi ko kanina, we are going to walk sa cable car station. Ay, atake ka. Yan, for the walk lang, for the walk. We are now at the brown line, tapos sa dulong station, Taipei Zoo. Then, exit 2, going to Maokong Gondola. Ano may nickname? Ayan, just follow the signs. Maokong Gondola. So basically, lalabas kayo ng MRT. Then may mga signage naman. Then dito, merong parang lakaran naman. So, that's fine. Basically, ito yung lalakaran nyo going to Maokong Gondola from MRT station. It's 350 meters away from the station. Yun na yung station. Konting lakad pa. Here's the gondola. Maokong Gondola Station. So, here's their operational information. At yan din yung payment option na pwede yung gamitin. But for our case, nag-book na kami through Klook. So, after redeeming the ticket from Klook, punta na agad doon sa cable car station. Sa 4th floor yung platform. Tama ba yun?
Tama.
And it's mainit. Wala siyang aircon. We are now here at Maokong Station. Parang mga almost 30 minutes or 30 minutes yata yun. Wala ba? Ayan. Doon tayo sa may convenience store. May kumain ng lunch namin. And as you can see, yan yung mga menu nila, which is very affordable naman. Sa food, ito yung braised pork rice nila. Tapos yun yung fishball soup. Dito kami kumain. And for me, okay naman. Masarap naman yung food. Lalo na yung ano nila, yung sausage. 10 out of 10 yung sausage sa akin kasi ang sarap. We are going to try the cat biscuit na sikat here. Ito siya. Yan. Ayan siya, 90 NTD. Thank you. Yes. Ayun yung Taipei 101, no? So, meron ding tea dito. Ito. Actually, same lang. Halos same lang siya nung sa Juven Old Street. Parang mas mura nga siya ng Very Light. Here's the shave ice cream.
400 yan. Alam mo ba?
Ha?
400 pesos yan.
Talaga? We are here at Maokong Skywalk or mini Skywalk. Well, okay naman siya. Naglakad kami for about 15 to 20 minutes. Medyo mainit lang, but the view is giving. Here's the view. Parang gawaan ng tsaa yung sa baba, no? Ay, taniman ng pea. We are now going back to the Taipei Zoo Station. We are going to ride once again the cable car going back. Five. And we are now going to Taipei City Hall. Nag-NTR lang ulit kami. Ayan. Then, eto, mag-transfer ulit kami sa Blue Line after. Okay, we are now going to transfer to Blue Line, which is the Banan Line. So, ayun yung mga kasama ko. Wala kasi ito maulit. So, sa exit number 2 kami, i-exit. Kasi, mag-Rainbow Street muna kami. Dahil time check, it's 4 p.m. So here's the exit 2. Then paglabas nyo lang dito, kumaliwa lang kayo. Ayan. So makikita nyo yung building na yan. Then after nyan, turn left ulit. Diretso lang kayo dyan. Bali sundan-sundan nyo lang din yan Taipei 101 building na yan. Kasi a few meters away lang siya dun sa Rainbow Street ng Taipei City Hall. Nyo na to, tatawid lang kayo doon. Ayun, andyan na yung Rainbow M&M. Ang Taipei City Hall, pagtawid nyo lang from there, and then ito na siya. Charan!
Ito na pala yung Grand Hyatt.
Then ito yung view ng Taipei 101. nasa loob na kami ngayon ng Taipei 101 building. Pagpasok nyo, you should go straight to 4th floor since nandoon yung ticket counter ng observatory deck. Here's the observatory. Ito yung ticket counter. By the way, hindi na kami nag-avail sa Klook. Dito na lang kami bibili ng ticket. Ayan. And as you can see, ito yung ticket nila kung magkano. Ayan. After mo mag-buy or bumili ng ticket, go to the entrance na. And here siya. Tadaan! We are here at the Taipei 101, 88th floor observatory deck. Ito yung entrance papuntang 91st floor. Yan, hagdan siya. And here's the sky deck. Ayan, meron din yung Wow 101. Pero parang mini museum lang siya. Actually, malamig dito, air condition. So kung gusto magpahinga dito, pwede rin naman. Hi guys! Today is July 18 and it's our last day here at Taiwan. We are going to Gloria Outlet to buy pasalubong and as well as pasabay. And then after Gloria Outlets, pupunta naman kami ng Carrefour to check yung mga foods, yung parang mga box of chocolates, mga ganon. For pasabays din siya and at the same time pasalubongs. And also, parang nabalitaan ko or narinig ko rin na sa Carrefour may mga ref magnet. So, we will check if mura rin ba doon. And then, lastly, papakita ko rin sa inyo since na-mention ko na pupunta kami ng Gloria Outlets. We are going to take the HSR or the high-speed rail. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung commute or paano mag-commute papuntang Gloria Outlets from here sa Ximending area. And we are now out sa aming hotel and we are going to take the train, the Banal Line going to Taipei Main Station. And from Taipei Main Station, lalakarin na lang namin or matatransfer kami going to the high-speed rail, high-speed railway nila, and then we will take the train going to Gloria Outlets and it's a walking distance na lang pagbaba namin yung terminal or yung station ng HSR. And as usual, we are going to take the exit 3 sa Tawid from there. We are going to take the blue line going to Taipei Main Station. Ayan, sundan nyo lang yung arrow going to HSR. HSR, dyan tayo sasakay. Or to transfer going to Gloria Outlets. Then makikita nyo itong vendo machine na to. Dito kayo bibili ng ticket nyo for HSR whenever pupunta kayo ng Gloria Outlets. And here's our ticket going to Taoyuan. And from Taoyuan HSR station, maglalakad na lang going to Gloria Outlet. So just malapit lang naman. Then after lumabas doon sa MRT or MTR plus sa may southbound platform kayo umakyat going to Taoyuan Station, ang sasakyan nga natin is HSR or the high-speed railway ng Taiwan. Here. By the way, ang binili pa namin ticket, as you can see dun sa video, is the non-reserved seat. And sabi ng officers or ng mga, yung paano ba, mga ano dito, ang non-reserved seats daw ay nasa car number 10 to 12. So just in case pupunta kayo or sasakay kayo ng high-speed rail. So after nyo makalabas ng train, akit kayo here, and then kakanan kayo going here, exit 6 going to Gloria Outlet. And here's the exit 6. Ayun na, Gloria Outlet na. Ayan, and then pagkaakyat nyo doon sa exit 6, pag-akyat nyo dito, ayan, makikita nyo na agad yung Gloria Outlets. There, as you can see, welcome to Gloria Outlets. So, ito yung business hours nila. Open sila Monday to Thursday, 11 a.m. to 9 a.m. lang. Pero pag Friday to Sunday, it's 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Tapos ito yung mga brands na meron dito. So, bago kami mag-ikot, kakain muna kami there sa my food pavilion. Yan. So, here's their food pavilion, or in short, food court nila. So, ito yung binili ko, yung Omurice ketchup. And the good thing is that free daw yung drinks. Unlimited na yung drinks. So, yun. So, if tapos na kayo mag-buy dito sa outlet, dito sa may coach, tabi ng coach lang siya. Dito sa information, pwede na kayong magpa-process ng tax refund. And then, magbibigay sila ito ng paper. Then, proceed lang to. Sa airport pala to papapalitan. Then, it's your choice if it's cash or balik na lang or refund sa credit card. We're now done at the first batch of pasabay. We're now going to Carrefour. Ayan, it's a 10 to 15 minute walk from Ximending. From our hotel yun actually. Ito na siya, yung Carrefour. And it's open for 24 hours. At may McDo, kumain tayo dyan mamaya. Ayan, so punta kami doon, of course, sa pasalubong ng bayan, which is the chocolates. So let's see kung magkano yung mga actual prices nila here sa Carrefour. Also, here kay Carrefour, pwede kayo magbayad using your EC card. So if ever na nanalo kayo sa Taiwan Lucky Land, you can go ahead and use that. Ayan, pineapple cake for 59 NTD, 299 NTD. Ito, parang, syempre of course, bigger ano siya. Ref magnet din sila dito if ever na gusto niyo. Ayan. Let's see. Ito ay 50 NTD. Ganito na siya. Ito, keychains, 50 NTD. So, most likely mga 50 NTD kung mga nandito. Ayan, more more ref magnets. Yan, pause nyo na lang yung video for the prices. Ayan, more souvenirs. Ayan, ito para mga, ano ba ito? Kute, gano'n. Meron dito 119 NTD, 129 NTD. Mochi. Ito, meron dito mochi, cacao mochi for only 59 NTD. Ayan, mga mochi. Ito, 169. Bigger siya. Postcard. If ever gusto nyo bumili ng postcard, meron din dito. So, milk tea. 99 NTD. Ito, yung tapioca, yung ginagawa. 79 NTD siya. So, ito may mga toothpaste nila, mga skincare. Ayan. Actually, toothpaste, mga sabon pala to. Yung skincare yata nasa kabila. Ito, mga sabon nila yan dito. Check nyo na lang yung price nila. Yan, 42 NTD, 109 NTD, 129 NTD. Ayan. Ito actually kinuha to ng kapatid ko kanina, itong beauty soap na to. I'm not sure if kilala siya dito. I mean, ito yung ano nila dito, yung parang kumbaga bestseller nila, 102 NTD. Ayan yung mga lotion nila. Ito yung sikat na sikat din to sa atin, yung Gluta-Hya ng Vaseline, 235 NTD. Ayan mga yan. Ayan yung mga mask nila, 15 NTD. Ayan, ano nyo na lang. Convert nyo na lang sa Philippine peso. Actually, mura lang siya, around mga nasa 20 plus pesos lang siya each. Isang peraso. Okay siya. Ito, actually, parang sabi nila maganda nga daw tong brand na to. For 143 NTD. Ito na siya. Ayan. Meron din yung roll-on niya. Ganon. Ayan. Ayan, sabi ng nag-a-assist, nandito daw sa third floor yung, or sa next up pa yung mga chocolates. So, let's see how much yung mga chocolates nila dito. Yung mga prices ng mga chocolates nila, M&M's 95 NTD, yung ganito kaliliit. M&M's na ganito, isa pang fun size, 149 NTD, 145 NTD. Itong Twix Mini, 77 NTD. Yung mas malaki ay 13 pieces pala yun. Then ito 34 pieces, 221 NTD. Yung M&M's na ganun, 173 NTD. Ayan. Kay sneakers naman, yung each siguro na ganito, 33 NTD. Yung ganito, 149. Yung fun size, 198. Ayan. May multi-series din pala dito. Ayan. Ito, 167 NTD to. Ito, 37. Ayan. Tapos, ito, yung Ferrero Rocher. Ayan. Check nyo na lang or pause nyo na lang yung video. Toblerone, 79 NTD. Mga dark chocolates nila here. Ito, 105 NTD. Kuha tayo nito. Ayan. Ito, ano ba to? Mga dark chocolates. Cocoa hazelnut. Ito milk chocolate to. Kuha rin tayo yan. Ito most likely yung mga ano nila yan. Mga chocolate bars. Ganito siya. Yan, 89 NTD yan isa. Ito, Hershey's. Victor's, 199 NTD. So, ito yung KitKat nila. KitKat Gold, 135 NTD. Yan. Ito, KitKat na. Ito, yung dark chocolate. Nakabili na ako nito before. Yung sa Hong Kong. Matcha. 125 NTD. Meron din silang Nutella dito. Nutella biscuits, 129 NTD. Ito, biscuit ready, 98 NTD. Yan. We are now going up to 6th floor for tax refund and kailangan minimum of 2,000 NTD siya for the tax refund. Here. And bali here tayo magpapa-tax refund. Here's our pasabay. We are now going to Xinanting area to buy our ref magnet. Yun na lang. And then, nag-airport. Nag-avail na lang kami ng airport transfer. And yung airport transfer namin cost around 1,600. Kaming tatlo na yun. And it's a 7-seater car. Parang Toyota Wish pala yung ano natin. Toyota Wish. So we are now here at Pelican, the Taiwan Pelican Express Co. or Company, and magpaparap kami ng baggage namin. So we are now going to our boarding gate, pero dadaan muna kami ng immigration for clearing. Ayan, so here's the departures. So balikan ko na lang kayo later since bawal ang video dito or mag-take ng photo or video scene. So tapos na kami sa immigration and due to typhoon, delayed ang aming flight for 1 hour. Which is expected naman na namin since nakita ko na yung kanina sa Google na may mga delay sa flight due to typhoon.
Welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila, Philippines. The local time now is 51 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning, and for information, there is no time difference between Taiwan and Manila.